wit's end as to what course of action can bring him glory, for whatever he has said till now has been proved to be only ignorance. He does not also know whether he will rout the Kaurav army, or they will rout him. Dhritarashtra's sons, after slaying whom he should not desire to live, are arrayed against him. What shall he live for if his feelings of attachment represented here by his kinsmen, all of them progeny of Dhritarashtra's ignorance, are destroyed? At the same time, however, it occurs to Arjuna that what he has said now may be also false. So he turns to Krishna again. With my mind swamped with feeble pity and confusion regarding duty, I entreat you to instruct me as to what is definitely conducive to my glory, for I am your disciple and have taken